Okay, so my name is Kujudu Abemboate, and I'm making a YouTube video on the assignment that Mr. Shaibu, our lecturer, gave to us. So I'm starting from the index.html, which is where my skeleton of my website all starts from. So over here, the doc type HTML, it declares this document as an HTML, where browsers use it to render the page correctly. So let's move to um, the head. So the head, um, it contains meta information, that is title, character, style sheet, then the rest. Then to the body. So with the body contains everything that is visible on the page. Um, let's say the header, the sections, the images, other links. So I inputted my style into the HTML code over here, where I'm not going to be placing any CSS file over here, meaning all my CSS file is inside this HTML document. So here is the body, the margin is 0, font family Poppins, background, I give it this color, then to the header. So that's just pertaining to only the header. So the header into two different colors. So some part is this color and the other is this color, and it's in linear gradient form, padding 20 pixel. The display is in the form of a flex. Then to the second header, margin 0. Then to the navigation A. So it has a hover. So with the hover, I give it this color. Then this is for the car selection. So the padding is 40 pixel, 20 pixel, where one is on the right, one is on the left. Then I aligned it to the left, meaning they are supposed to be on the card is supposed to be on the left. Then car selection 2, font size 28 pixel, margin button 20 pixel. Then this is about the info text. The info text I spoke a little about the club. So speaking a little about the club, this is the type of font I give it with this color, margin top. Then this is for the cars container, where another it will be linking to another website. Then here is card hover, card image. So all of them, it links into the sub site inside this home page. And here is the body. So here is I'm done with the style. So to the that's the ending of the head. Then to the body, which is what is shown inside the home page. My name is there, my index number, the course, which is web development. Then to section. So it's a semantic container for for a part of this page, and this head too is a section heading. So I was at the header 2. Welcome to my Real Madrid fan page. So this one to header 2, maybe for the heading, it has a specific font size where it's not going to be a little more bigger like the H1 or the H1. Then here paragraph for the class, info text. That's what I mentioned earlier. So this is Real Madrid Club de Football, founded on March 6, 1902, is the most successful blah blah blah. Yeah, for that's for the first paragraph. Then here's for the container. Where over here I tagged the flex page HTML, which is here. I tagged it in here so that it's going to be inside the home page with an image of it. Then here Real Madrid Football Club, um, then about session. So this is also about Real Madrid. So this is another section where I spoke a little about Real Madrid. That is on the home page. Yeah, so this is all about the home page itself. Then after that, into the flex page itself. So here in the flex page, I also inputted the style in there. Yeah, because I didn't create any CSS file, making my work somehow stressful to me. Maybe some people will use a CSS file where all their styles will be there, but to me, I prefer placing it over here. So here with the body, here's the header, the navigation hover, the page title, align to the center, 30 pixel, font size 32 pixels, then squad container, player card hover. So here's the head. So I've made this one. I brought a reference tag of the index HTML with a class of back button. So with this back button, when I click on the back button, it must take me back into the home page. Hope you understand me. Then here, my name, I place my index number, then the course back into this page. Then here, page title, Real Madrid squad 2025-2026. Each one meaning is going to be bold. Then here too, there's a little info about the squad. So here, the Real Madrid 2025-2026 squad represents one of the strongest generations the club has ever assembled, managed by the legendary. Then here, the tag of strong, meaning I'm going to bold in it. Xabi Alonso, the team mixes experienced players like Luka Modric and Thibaut Courtois with superstars like Vinicius Junior, Jude Bellingham, Rodrigo Goes, Ada Gule, and some. So that's for one paragraph. Then starting the second paragraph. Then over here, the squad features elite talent, including this is break, then strong. So I'm boldening this side. Kylian Mbappe, I place the names here. Then their role in the club, which is Mbappe is a leader of the attack. Vinicius is a strong winger. Jude Bellingham is a goal scoring midfielder. Rodrigo Goes, creative winger. Valverde and Camavinga, engine of the midfield. Courtois, world class goalkeeper. Then Rudiger and Militao as defensive giants. So here is another paragraph. Then here squad container. So with this squad container, I did it in a way that um you see the players where when you move the mouse pointer on it, it's going to highlight something small. Then when you tap on it, it's going to take you into another page where you are going to see a picture of the player. So over here, I placed this picture over here where all of them can be seen. All of them can be seen over here. So making things a little easier for me. Yeah. So making things a little easier for me. So I did it for all the players that I wanted to put into this page. So I started with Vinny Jr. HTML. So here with body back button, the back button is to take you back into the second home page, the second page. Then here too, I tag the flex page over here with the class back button, making sure that when I enter there, I'm not supposed to go and search the back button on the application before I'm going to get back to the flex page side. So over there, there's a back button where when you tap on it, it's going to take you into the flex page HTML. Then I place the image of Vinny there. So with this one, I copied what was for Vinny. I copied this same thing. Then I placed the same thing for Bellingham, Courtois, um Mbappe, just that I'm changing the name, but everything about it is the same, accurate. Yeah. So this is about my first web page. So we are going into the browser to see how it's going to work. Yeah. So start debugging Chrome. Okay. So So let's say this is how everything is going to look like. So welcome to my Real Madrid fan page. Maybe the color, yeah, some of the color is not going to be nice, but at least, yeah, to make something different from others. So welcome to my Real Madrid page, and all the informations I made earlier are all over here. Then here is about Real Madrid. Yeah. So after that, this is the link into the main site. So when I click on it, when I click on it, it took me here. I made the background white and black. Yeah, it was my own decision. And here is the small info that is about the page. Then these are the few players that I wanted to bring their pictures so that maybe people who enter the site are going to see some small favorite players in the Madrid squad. So let's say I type on Vinny Jr. It takes me into Vinny Jr.'s picture for everyone to see it clear. Here Jude Bellingham, it takes me back. So over here, the back to squad is over here. Where when I put the mouse pointer over it, it turns into white. When it's not there, it's black. Yeah, so then here's for Rodrigo Goes, here's for Valverde, here's for Courtois. So now those are for the players, and I think this is all I can do at the moment. Thank you.